Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy shakshuka recipe, and this is all the ingredients that you need. First, peel the onion and chop the onions to small pieces. Make parallel vertical cuts with the knife tip starting almost at the root end but not cutting through the root end. And make parallel horizontal cut almost all the way across the half onion. Slice the onion vertically about 1/4 inch apart. And repeat the same process with the other half. Transfer the chopped onion into a bowl and set aside. Now, let's peel the garlics. Roughly slice and chop the garlics. Let's cut the bell peppers. Cut the bell pepper into half. Using a small spoon, scrape the seeds and clean the inside of the pepper. I also like to remove the white part of the pepper. You can also use your fingers to remove the seeds. And repeat the same process for all the bell peppers. Slice the bell pepper into 1/4 inch thickness. Then, dice the bell peppers into cubes. Transfer the bell peppers into a bowl and set aside. Roughly chop the parsley and coriander. I'm using about 1 gram of parsley and 3 grams of corianders. And set aside. Let's start cooking. Place a pan over medium-high heat. Add the olive oil. Add the minced meat and fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring to avoid burning. After 5 minutes, transfer the beef to a bowl and set aside. In the same pan, add the chopped onion and garlic. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped bell peppers. Stir well and cook for a few minutes. Add the cooked minced beef back into the pan. And stir for 2 minutes. Now, let's add the spices into the pan. Turn the heat to medium and mix the spices well. Be careful not to burn the spices. Keep stirring. cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the canned tomatoes. I use the cut tomatoes in can. Stir and mix well. Add some water into the tomato can to get all the sauces. Pour it into the pan. Mix well and cook for 3 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook until the bell pepper softens. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking. This is optional. I also use 1 pack of tomato paste for extra flavor. If you like the taste of tomato, I recommend you to use this. Add the chopped parsley and coriander into the pan. Make a dent using your spatula for your eggs. Add the eggs. Cover and cook for 5 minutes in low heat. Garnish with chopped parsley and coriander. Sprinkle with some black pepper. And now it's ready to be served. Serve with sliced toasted baguettes. Enjoy my recipe and see you on the next video. Bye!